G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and today we're here in Photoshop Elements 2021 with the ABCs of PSE. Today's letter of the day is the letter D for default colors. If you have been working on a photograph and you've been using all kinds of different colors, so now you want to get back to black and white, did you know that there's an easy way to do that? All you need to do is press the letter D, and it will set your color palette back to the default color settings. And well, really that's all it does. There's no fancy options or anything. You can also click on this little mini black and white icon. So that's all it really is today. A short and a sweet one. D is for default colors in Photoshop Elements. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, it would be great if you could give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that you get notified of new videos from me. And if you want to make sure you don't miss a single one in the series, you can subscribe at the link in the description, and you'll also get my printable shortcut cards that you can have on hand whenever you need them. If you'd like to learn more about digital scrapbooking or Photoshop Elements, you can head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.